Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some bacon mashed potatoes. Would you like to do that with me? Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, it's something that maybe you never thought of, but everybody loves bacon. I do. So let's go ahead and give it a shot, shall we? Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video and subscribe. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel in any way. And so let's get started. Well, shall we? Thank you. Okay, so I have a ½ pound of bacon here. It was a pound. I cut it in half, okay? So we're going to slice this up. And make sure you can see where I'm at. I'm sorry. Let me fix the camera. Okay, I think that's better. Okay. So now we're just gonna cut this bacon up. This is half of the ½ pound. In small little pieces. Let me show you so you'll know what I'm doing. Okay? Okay, that's 1/2. Okay, this is our ½ pound of bacon. And now we're going to fry it in the frying pan. Okay, I brought my frying pan here. This is what we're going to be frying in. Now let me turn you to the stove, because you can't see me. There we go. Just going to put enough just to coat the bottom. And move that around. Okay, as you can see, so drop way down there. See that? That's how much we're using. Okay. We'll let that heat a minute. I hope you had a good day today. I'm in Massachusetts, and the weather today was around maybe 50, 55. It was pretty good. Anything but snow, right? We don't want snow here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put the bacon in. And we're going to let that cook down some, okay? So I'm going to bring you back in 2 minutes. I'll let that get started. Thank you. Okay guys, so our bacon has been cooking for about maybe 8 minutes. Okay, and it looks like we're good. So I'm going to take this off the fire, drain it, so I can show you. Okay, so here's our bacon. It's our ½ pound. We cut it up. So now let me give you a little helpful tips. Can't talk. Let's say you wanted to make scrambled eggs and bacon. This is a good way. If you cut it up like this, you can stretch your bacon, right? Because if you try to do a ½ pound for a family of 4, you're going to need more than a ½ pound. But if you cut it up like this and then you mix it in with the scrambled eggs, you got it. Or if you mix this in with grits, you got it. Or anything where you want to stretch the meat, okay? Alright, so now we're going to cook our mashed potatoes. I'm going to use this, it says Applewood smoked bacon mashed potatoes. So it's supposed to have the flavor of applewood and bacon inside this package. Alright, so we're going to follow the instructions here. It says, for stove top, add 2 cups of water to a medium sized saucepan and heat water on high to boil. Remove boiling water from the heat and immediately stir in entire pouch of potatoes. Mix thoroughly using a fork to moisten all the potatoes. So we're not going to exactly use everything it says to do. So instead of 2 cups of water, I have already in this pot here 1 cup of water. Okay, 1 cup. 1 cup of water. Okay, and then we're going to add 1 cup of milk. Okay. So now I'm going to bring this to a boil. And also to that I would like to add one tablespoon, if you level it out, 1 tablespoon. Two tablespoons, okay, of margarine. Now you can use butter, margarine, whatever you feel you'd like to use. I use Smart Balance margarine. Okay, we're going to let that come to a boil. Let me add into the milk and water and margarine some salt. Just a little, because you know the bacon is salty. Some black pepper. Okay, so we're going to let that boil for a minute. Let's see. Why don't I give you the word of the day? Okay, the word of the day. The word of the day is power. That's a powerful word. Power. Who has the power in your house? Is it you? Do you really think it's you? Well, let's see. When you say yes, is it really yes? When you say no, is it really no? Do everyone have to get your opinion or advice or your say-so if they want to do something? If so, maybe you do have the power. Or maybe your mate has the power and you have to now worry about what your mate wants you to say and do and act and all that sort of thing, because it's whatever the mate goes. Or maybe the dog has the power or the cat has the power. You know, maybe your time is all surrounded around them You know, where are they at? What are they doing? When do they want to go outside? When they want to eat? Everything. Maybe they have the power. So your homework assignment is to decide who in your house have the power and who in your house is controlling who. That's the one who has the power. Okay, that's the word of the day. Power. Who has that power? Okay. Okay, guys. Margarine, milk, and water have came to a boil for our mashed potatoes. I'm going to cut the fire off. I'm going to bring that down here. Okay, so now we're going to add the mashed potatoes, okay, from this package. I'm going to use this whisk to mix it in. Okay. Now to me it's a little thick. Okay, probably because some of the water and milk boiled down. So I'm going to add less than 1/4 of a cup, it's about right here, of water to thin that out. And see how that looks. Okay, well, almost there, but it's still a little thick for me. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so that takes us to 1/2 cup of water that we added. So now we're up to 1½ cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Okay, that's a little better. I can move it smoothly with my whisk. Okay, now we're going to add some sour cream. Let's go with 1, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And let's mix that in. So that was 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. Alright, now we're going to add our bacon. Remember our bacon we cooked. Oh, the bacon looks good. Okay, let's mix in our bacon. Let me taste that. Oh wow. You can taste that bacon. Wonderful. So let me get a container and put that in and present it to you. 1 second. Okay guys, look at that. Huh? How about that? Let's take a taste. So we're gonna taste. Wow. Immediately that bacon pops right up. You get a crunch down on it. And the mashed potatoes, nice and creamy, a nice flavor to it. So let's say you wanted to do that for a lot of people. You wouldn't need any more bacon. You would just need additional packages of mashed potatoes. And if you didn't want to do the package, you can cut up you some potatoes, boil them, and follow the same recipe. Okay? So good. It makes me want to go back for more. Okay. Thank you for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And until next time, I'll talk to you later, okay? Check out those links below. Okay, bye-bye.